So hello everyone. In previous tutorial we are complete sidebar, top bar and net mode function. In net mode function is worked properly. So now let's go. In opening your VS Code and in sidebar have an error. So in fix it. So delete insert icon alter to. Now save your file and open your web browser and refresh this page. Now in search bar is okay. Yeah. So copy in your URL and open VS Code extensions in mobile view. And install your mobile view extensions. After install, open mobile view. I use here pixel 1 and paste URL in here. Yeah. Now you can see mobile view is responsive our website. Now split it. Yeah. Now minimize in our sections and create a new comment. And in this comment, home section and start home section and copy and paste another comment, close home section. And in this section ID home and class height 100. And in this height 100 is bootstrap. So now new content div container and in this header tag 5 new arrival. H1 for a span and in this span best price and this season. And a paragraph tag in best products and a break the most affordable prices. And in this button, class shop button, shop now. Okay, in our HTML structure is complete. Now open CSS file and add to comment. Start home section. Another is close home section. And copy ID and paste here. Background image URL. So in this image folder I will provide it you in Facebook page. So edit image for background here and save it. Okay. Now adjust height and width. So width 100% and height 100 width. Okay. And background size cover. Display flags and flags. Directional column. Justify content center, align items, flex start. Now it's okay. Now open your web browser and see this text. If night mode function, the text is awesome. So we have to change color. Home span and color variable VTN. Yeah, to change in our section ID name and ID home. Yeah, now in expand color it's worked. Now dark mode in this home span is color variable light, but same color is background already exists. So change our color light. Okay. Now change in S5 for ID and S5 font size 28 pixel, font family and default. Okay. Now ID home, no remove, and button. So dot shop btn, and the shop btn background color but btn color, and mean width none, remove for 20%, and font size 20 pixel, font weight 800, and border none, box sizing border box, and height auto, border radius 5 pixel, 20 pixel, 5 pixel and 20 pixel, and change mean width for 40%. It looks good. And change font weight 700. Yeah. For transition, and defer opacity 0.5%, rise in out. Now dot shop btn and hover animation button movement 0.5%, linear infinite. Okay, now add keyframe. Select it, keyframe and button movement 0.5%. For 0%, background color change. So background color variable for BTN. 0% and copy paste for 2 times. 50% for light. Yeah, it looks good. But in our web browser, it's not proper. So responsive part in here in mobile frame. So max width 768 pixel and shop BTN min width 80%. Now change our web browser fast for 30%. Yeah, it looks awesome. And now our web page is proper worked. Now open your index page and add comment where custom messages for first div section, parent container and message container. And another div section for text container. And in this span for ID text, and in this span we will write lorem 2. Now you can see now open CSS file and similar for add to comment, start custom message and close custom message. First section and display flags, justify content center and align items center and padding top 20 pixel. Yeah. Now another div section, copy and paste here. And in here display flags and item center and justify content center and with 80 pixel and overflow hidden. And background color for change variable have a first color and load this page. Yeah. Now padding 10 pixel and border radius 20 pixel and color light. And change the background color here for dark. Yeah. Now copy another div section, text container and paste here. and in here white space, no warp, and overflow hidden. Font family sans serif. Yeah. And now ID, text and display. Inline block and font size 16 pixel. Font weight 600 and animation side left 5 second linear infinite. Now add keyframe and side left copy and paste here and differ and 0% transform translate X and 100% and copy more 2 times, paste here 100%, another one is 100.1% and change minus 100%. Okay, and change in here message container with 80% and refresh this page. Yeah, it's worked. Now another comment for index page, asset categories, here section ID, categories and dot category title, and in this category title is to for top category, and another is half, and in half CL a paragraph CL categories. Okay, now HR class MX auto in dot get and category half and add image, and in this image which is in folder for category like is left off, in paragraph tag left off, similar for another, copy and paste and change in title, similar for added another other categories. Now open CSS, and in this CSS file add comments, start categories and close categories, and add categories, copy and paste here for which I am padding left 80 pixel with 100% and background variable for dark, for change for color here light, yeah, it looks good. Overflow hidden, position relative and new ID, categories dot category and title. For recheck, yeah, copy and paste here. Now justify content, a space between and display flags. align items center. Now open your web browser. Yeah, and see top category and see all is a space between. Now change for this to and background color, first color and color for primary color is no. Formatting is not proper, good. So change color for dark is good. Now margin 0. And copy, paste here. Text decoration none. And categories dot category hr with 100%. Border width 3 pixel. Border radius 5 pixel. And border color, for change it color variable, it's dark, good. Margin 0 auto and previous line at semicolon. And now margin bottom 20 pixel. Okay, now refresh this page. Yeah. Now change in here for remove. And you can see is left 0. Now what is good? And open dot get for display flags and change for get, yeah, for category season, justify content, space around, and white space no warp. Overflow hidden, no overflow x auto, and WebKit overflow, scrolling and scroll snap touch, and JAX X mandatory. Yeah, margin bottom 20 pixel. Now add the categories and dot category, and border radius 10 pixel, and at the border 2 pixel solid, and at color dark. Okay, but I have pretty error in here for category at close Yeah. Now copy it and paste here. Similar for copy and paste other category. Yeah. Now save this page and refresh it. It looks good. Now open a sheet and display flex, inline block, and scroll behavior, scroll snap align, start, margin right 10 pixel. Now open web browser. Yeah, it looks good. Now categories and category image with 80 pixel and height 80 pixel. Similar for copy and paste here for paragraph tag, text align center, and font size 16 pixel, font weight 600, and anchor tag for text decoration none. Okay. But in our mobile view, for some error for category cut. So first categories, add a categories in a categories padding left 5 pixel, and get display a block. Yeah, looks good, but graphics card is so bigger than other. So change this card for GPU. Yeah, it looks awesome. Now open your BS web browser and final look. Yeah, that's it. And change in here categories, margin of 20 pixel for category, and custom message space gaps. Yeah, refresh it. Yeah, now looks it good.